Security is the challenge of the digital era. Security for global data flows, security for interconnectivity, security for trade, business, and communication. Security has been at the core of our brand since 1923. Cryptography, connectivity, sensor systems, and actuator technology are in our DNA. More than 200,000 customers around the world have therefore trusted in our ingenuity, our passion for quality, and our technical expertise for nearly 100 years. Starting from the franking machine to digital gateways and electronic signatures. Driven by the experience and the knowledge of our engineers, we also have special solutions for the challenges of Industry 4.0, in the Internet of Things, and for secure digital communication processes. The long digital heart of our legendary franking systems also beats in our leading-edge FP gateways. Here, a sophisticated special cryptography chip encrypts all incoming digital information, providing the highest security levels regardless of format or origin. FP thus offers complete protection of your data when networking and managing industrial systems of any kind and in any industry. For example, in logistics, from the monitoring of containers to the management of ship engines. In production, for controlling robots. Or in energy supply, the monitoring of wind turbines and the management of heating systems or solar power plants. FP is therefore the first choice everywhere where secure digital interconnectivity, the gathering and evaluation of data, or the management of complex or sensitive systems are required. Our cryptography know-how and our experience are our answer to the challenges of encryption and data security in the digital era. This is innovation, born from tradition, developed for the future. Made in Germany. This is German Mail Engineering. We are your partner for secure mail business and secure digital communication processes. Why not come along for the ride? We act to win your trust.